Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we'll see is, let's consider we have one list with the variables as 1, 2, 3, 4, and what we wanted to do, let's say if you wanted to access any particular value item from this particular list. So this is how you are going to access, right? Let's say instead of this we wanted to assign all these items to separate variables. Let's take a variables like A, B, C and D, and if you give the list name here, what it will do is whatever the items which are present inside this particular list, those items will get assigned to this particular variables. Let's say if you wanted to, let's try to print and see what actually happened there. If you try to print A, so it is giving, so that means like whatever the element, first element, it got assigned to A. Let's try to print B, so that 2 got assigned to B. So same way, like if you try to print C has a value of 3, and let's try to print D, so D has a value of 4. So let's say in case if you're programming, if there is someone as in interview questions, if someone is asking like how to convert the list items and assign those to separate variables, this is how we can do it. You can just give number of elements, how many are there inside that particular list, and you can give all those variable. You can just do it. Here one condition is like what, how many list items are there inside this particular list, it has to match. Let's say if you give, let's say we have 5 elements over here, and if we give 4, it will throw the error because it is expected in this particular list items it has 5 elements, but in this case you are giving 4. So whenever you are handling this kind of scenarios, so how many number of variables you are taking, it should be equal to number of items which are present inside that particular list. So this is all guys, thanks for watching, let's meet in the next video.